Motorola is stepping up its game with the all-new Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, a smartphone that blends elegance with power. In this video, we're going to deep into everything this phone offers, from design and display to camera and AI features, so let's get started and explore what makes this phone stand out in 2025. Let's begin with the design. The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion comes with a stunning curved design that immediately gives it a premium feel. The back is made from soft vegan leather, which not only looks stylish but also feels great in hand. It's available in Pantone-validated colors, including a beautiful shade called Pantene Edge Cyan. The frame is made of polycarbonate, making it both light and durable. Despite its large battery, the phone is just 180 grams light and measures only 8.2 millimeters thick, which makes it one of the slimmest and most comfortable phones to carry. Now let's talk about the display. This phone features a 6.7-inch 10-bit POLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The screen curves at 45 degrees on the sides and 33 degrees on the top and bottom, creating a quad-curve design that looks truly immersive. It also supports up to 1400 nits HBM and an insane 4500 nits peak brightness, so visibility won't be a problem even under direct sunlight. Plus, it's Pantone validated for color accuracy, protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, and features Smart Water Touch 3.0, meaning the display works even with wet fingers. Moving on to performance, the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion is the first phone in India to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor, built on a power-efficient 4nm architecture. This chip delivers excellent day-to-day performance and casual gaming is no problem either. It scores around 7 lakh on Antutu, so you're getting solid performance packed into a slim body. Backing this up is LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.1 storage for quick multitasking and smooth app loading. Now, let's talk about the battery. It's equipped with a large 5500 mAh battery that's more than enough to get you through a full day of use. And when it's time to charge, Motorola includes a 68W fast charger in the box, so you can quickly top up and get back to business. The phone uses a Type-C to Type-C cable, keeping things future-ready. Let's discuss build quality and protection. The phone comes with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, which is rare in this segment. It also carries military-grade durability and features Gorilla Glass 7i for added screen protection, meaning it's built to survive real-life accidents. Now let's move to the camera setup. On the back, you get a dual camera configuration, a 50MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide camera that doubles as a macro shooter. The results are quite impressive, with good dynamic range, improved color processing, no excessive saturation, and decent performance even in low light. The portrait mode is worth noting, offering 3 focal lengths, 24mm, 35mm, and 50mm, giving you flexibility to capture pro-style portraits with excellent edge detection. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera that delivers sharp and detailed results for selfies and video calls. When it comes to audio, Motorola hasn't held back. The phone features stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and high-res audio support, delivering clear, immersive sound whether you're watching videos or listening to music. Let's talk about security and unlock options. You get an in-display fingerprint sensor which is fast and accurate, and there's face unlock support as well for quick access to your phone. Next up is software and UI experience. The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion runs on Android 14 with Motorola's clean and smooth Hello UI on top. It's lightweight, bloat-free, and comes with a promise of 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. You'll also be glad to know it's already running on the February 2025 security patch. And now, the most exciting part, let's talk about AI features. Motorola has introduced a suite of smart tools under its MAI branding. There's AI Summary that converts your voice notes into brief summaries, and remember this, a feature that lets you capture a photo, screenshot, or note and tag it with a reason for later recall. The phone also features Magic Canvas, a fun tool that lets you create AI-generated images using simple text prompts. Plus, there's a wallpaper creator with AI, Smart Connect to sync and access your phone from your PC or laptop, quick shortcuts with the power button, and even family space for safe usage by kids. These features make the experience more personal, practical, and futuristic. In short, the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion is not just about looks, it's packed with thoughtful, powerful, and AI-driven features that make it a complete smartphone package. Whether you're a casual user, a photography lover, or someone who appreciates smart design, this phone brings a lot to the table.